Hi everyone, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. I am so glad to have you back in today's video and compliments of the season. I'm gonna be showing you how to make tuna casserole. You're going to start by placing a large pot of water on the stove top. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and add your egg noodles, then bring this to a boil. Cook your noodles according to package instructions. And once it's done, you can drain this through a colander. Then cover and set aside while you prepare the rest of the ingredients. Next, place a medium-sized pan on the stove top. Add 1.5 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter has melted, go in with 1 finely diced onion. Cook the onion on medium heat for 3 minutes or until slightly translucent. Also add in 3 minced garlic cloves and 1 small chopped red bell pepper. Stir and cook for just a minute. You can turn off the heat and remove the pan and set aside. In a large mixing bowl, bring in your cooked egg noodles. Also pour in 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Add in the onion mixture, 1 cup of frozen peas. Also add in 2 cans of tuna. But first of all, you need to break the chunks into smaller pieces so that they will be evenly distributed. And once you're done bringing all the ingredients together, you can go ahead and season with ½ teaspoon of black pepper and a ¼ teaspoon of salt. You can as well season this to your own taste. And lastly, add in a ¼ cup of milk. Gently stir this to bring everything together. And once it is nicely combined, you can pour it out into your casserole dish. And also level it out with a spatula. Bake your tuna pasta in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Once it's bubbly on the sides, you can take it out. Combine ½ cup of breadcrumbs with 3 tablespoons of melted butter and mix it to come together. Spread the breadcrumbs on the surface of the tuna pasta and spread it out with a spoon. Bake this again for another 5 minutes until the surface turns out golden. And this is ready. It smells really nice and tastes good as well. When you think of any comfort food, this easy tuna casserole should be your go-to. It's so easy to put together, it requires just minimal effort. And you can try this out as well. If you like this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up. You can share the video with your friends. Please remember to subscribe to Onyx Food Hill. And you can also click the bell icon so you don't miss any video. Until next time guys, I really love to see you again. Bye for now.